Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how to play the game Guess Who using our digital board here, along with the rules and some of the fun ways that you guys can customize the game for yourself. So it starts off typically how we normally do for our board games. You're going to be adding this to your drive here. When we play, whether it's advisory or not, you're going to be assigned an opponent, whether they're from class or whether there's somebody on Zoom. And you guys are going to be put into a breakout room where the oldest person will start. Now, both players are going to pick what board they want to play on. There are 4 different board types, and when you get to your board, you're going to be picking a character from the board that's going to be your person, I guess, for your side of things. Your goal is going to be to try to guess who the other person has picked, and they're going to try to guess who you picked. The winner is the first person who can obviously guess the other person's, person. During your guessing phase, each player gets to take a turn using common traits among the characters and ask questions, yes or no questions, to help eliminate people from the board to narrow down who they think it is. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that means. So in a normal game, you'd have all of the tiles flipped up for each person and you knock them down as you ask your yes or no questions. But obviously we don't have the physical board, so we have a digital board. So this is our digital board. These are the people, and if you notice, they all have very unique traits. And you'll start by obviously picking the person who you want. So maybe I want to make my person Max, okay? And I would type in Max's name. And from here, if I was the oldest person, I would start by looking at all the common traits that I can see within all the different groups of people. And I might ask the person who I'm playing against, does your person have, I don't know, a mustache? Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like 4 mustache people here. And that's a yes or no question. It uses a common trait, and they have to say, well, either yes or no, my person has a mustache. So if they say no, I'd take my card here and I would eliminate, everybody with a mustache. Okay, notice I'm crossing them out so I know who to focus on. If they said, yes, my person has a mustache, then you would take your card and put it over everybody who doesn't have a mustache. So notice, I would leave only the mustache people, and I would use that to help, again, narrow down who the person is, So after I ask my question, then the other person would ask their question, and we go back and forth. Remember, you can only ask yes or no questions. At any point, if you think you know who the person is, you can guess. So you can ask the person, hey, is your person Sam? If they say yes, then you win. If they say no, though, you lose. So if you guess who it is and you're wrong, the other person wins, even if they didn't guess your person, So you're asking yes or no questions. Does your person have blonde hair? If they say yes, you keep the blonde hair people. If they say no, you cover them up. You go until you feel like you know who the person is, and then you try to guess who their person is before they guess yours. Oldest person starts. Now we have 4 different boards you can play on. And if you guys have time, or if you want, you can even make your own board where you find your own characters. They can be cartoon characters, they can be celebrities, so on and so forth. So that's how you play with our 4 boards using our different cards and your names. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.